Okay, we've got your BN-20 set up, all of the adjustments made, and loaded the media and settings. Now let's get your print cutter doing what it was made to do, printing and cutting. Included with your BN-20 is our latest version of Roland VersaWorks. VersaWorks is a high-performance raster image processor, or RIP software, designed for use with all Roland print and cut devices. This software is optimized to get the best performance out of your BN-20. Therefore, we recommend that you use Roland VersaWorks for all of your outputting, and we'll go over how to use it to create all of your images and graphics. You'll also get a copy of our VersaWorks Quick Start Guide and Metallic Silver Ink Guide, which will be a useful resource for reference and troubleshooting for all of your printing and cutting. Once you've installed the software, a good first step is to enable Roland at Net in the preferences. This will connect your software to Roland to allow you to get the latest updates and information over the internet. In the VersaWorks menu, choose Edit and click Preferences. Click the Roland at Net tab, check the box to search for updates automatically, and select how often it will do so. If you choose Updates Automatically, VersaWorks will check for updates every time you open the program, and you won't be able to use the software during this check, so you can select every day or every week if this is inconvenient. You can also choose to use a proxy server, choose what to download, and when. Now, this is the main screen that you'll see when you open up VersaWorks. Here you can adjust printing settings, rip your images, and queue them using different methods to get the best prints possible, and use the least amount of resources. VersaWorks has two input folders, QA and QB. So, you can have two profiles of print cut settings to use for different types of printing. Open one of the queues, and here you can change the settings for the type of media, the print width, and the print quality. The queue properties have a number of options. Layout will allow you to adjust the media, the printing size, and the enlargement reduction options for your job. Click Get Media Width to reflect the loaded media width, and the preview screen will then match it. Scale up or down by adjusting the scale box, or type in the desired length or height to adjust the graphic to your needs. Selecting the Fit to Media Size box will automatically adjust the graphic to fit the full dimensions of the media. You can also select the number of copies you would like in this tab. Quality will allow you to change the settings for the type of media selected, the print quality, and the speed of the printing cutting. There's a standard and draft quality setting that affects the speed of the printing process. Draft will print faster, but may have a lower quality result. The media type selection should match what's loaded in the BN-20. For example, a self-adhesive vinyl for stickers should be selected as Generic Vinyl 1. The color management section allows you to choose a preset that will affect the color of the final graphic. For example, choosing Signs and Display will emphasize bold, solid colors. Max Impact will give you more vibrant colors, and Max Density will give you denser and more opaque solid colors. You can experiment with these to find one that gives you the best results for your purposes. The Color Adjustment menu lets you perform ink level corrections and tone adjustments for the ink. The File Format screen lets you match the settings for format and color to your original image file. In the Mark menu, you can determine whether crop marks will be printed and will display information about the print job. In Printer Controls, you can adjust the dry time setting for use with media that may have poor drying qualities. Cut Controls allows you to change the cutting parameters. Job Management will let you set the location of the input folders as well as the processing method for the job. Clip and Tile lets you configure the tiling and overlaps setting. Adjust the media width, scaling, and tiling in this tab. And Variable Print will let you configure the variable text or image setting for your print job. Now, drag and drop the icon or file of the image you want to queue into the job list, and the layout window will show you a preview of the image, as well as other information. VersaWorks can open a number of files directly from the software, including PostScript, EPS, PDF, JPEG, and TIFF files. Okay, now double-click the job that you want to print in the job list, and a Job Settings window will appear, where you can adjust the size of the print, see a preview of the layout on the selected media, and change the number of copies. Click the RIP icon and your job will begin ripping, which sounds like a bad thing, but it's not.